don't stop.
Today is gonna be day 2 of the Prissy P Let's Move challenge, and we are heading to lunch in the park. Don't make the noise, I can't hear. We heading to lunch in the park, and it's a place we found last summer. The kids go to the park in downtown Flint. They get free, healthy lunch besides what they just got. They
get your mouth off that.
It's cause my cousin Grass make money and she paid me half his money now. But
get your mouth off
yeah,
that.
so I'm excited because they added a new feature to the park this year. So let's go see that. So this is the place where we had a picnic in the park. And I just ran into my brother on the way down here and he told me that they have another event going on. So I think we're gonna leave here. We're going to walk to the other event that's down here. And then let me put the sunscreen on it first. And then we're going to head to the Hurley Fitness. And that's going to be our get out and move for today. And my bag.
Vlog every day.
I don't vlog every day. I haven't gave them a vlog in a long time. And they want it's baby monkey staying in or out.
Out. He stay.
Stay? Alright, let's stay in the car.
There ain't no bus to get on him.
We got King rope. I actually have not fed King yet today. Here, Carlton. I got these little cans, 2 for $1 at
Ma, can you hurry up his sunscreen?
Oh, is this the other one I didn't hear? Because I need water for him. Oh, I see it.
Ma, can you hurry up and put sunscreen on?
I will. Can you give King his food? Can you give King some water? We use sunscreen, even though our skin is very dark, especially mine. All this normally breaks out into a heat rash, but if I use sunscreen,
Ma, this much?
plus dark skin people can still get cancer too. I told her to come here.
King.
Oh, they're starting on the trail. Oh, they're walking over to that thing today. Maybe we're gonna walk over to where they're going.
I'm not going.
Oh no, that's something else. That's a totally different thing.
I'm settling down.
What?
Y'all see the people?
Yeah.
Right there walking?
Yeah.
Right there.
Ma, who's gonna hold my toy?
Did you do that yesterday?
Leave it in the car for the moment.
Ma, no, I'm gonna be bored.
Alright, y'all go. They leave the chips behind. I'm not sure what they ate today because by the time I went in there, they was on their way out. They trying to get to the park. It looked like y'all had sandwiches, right?
Yeah.
With some carrots and oranges and milk.
And Mom,
Hmm?
we had some things. We had some things. Yeah,
What things?
They was white and they had carrots in it. Mom!
This is called a Fit Trail. Welcome to the Fit Trail fitness system, the new way to good health. The Fit Trail way to fitness has been enjoyed by people across America for more than 3 decades. Fit Trail is a balanced program for total fitness, conditioning of all ages and sizes. It's fun, costs nothing, and provides the motivation to keep exercising. Everything you need to meet is provided. There are exercise stations placed along the trail or in one location where you can learn about exercises and perform exercise routines and the apparatus at each of exercise station. The exercises are fully illustrated and you progress at your own pace. The routine has been carefully designed to include exercises for flexibility, cardiovascular conditioning, muscle strength, muscle endurance by jogging and brisk walking through the system and performing an exercise routine. You are getting a well-balanced conditioning program. An important elements of the system is targeting heartbeat range guide located at the station throughout the system. The target heart rate beat range guides provided funnable information about how you should pace yourself during any sports or exercise activity. Be sure to bring a friend or your entire exercise class and meet in great outdoors. Fit Trail, the manufacturer and providers of the system, do not assume any liability for its use. We want you to enjoy every move you make.
Mom, look, I'm standing up for so long.
Okay.
Mom, about to go to the next one.
Well, that is a workout, and I'm saying because the rest of the course is not done yet. Woo.
Mom.
I broke a sweat.
Mom.
So let's go to the next activity.
I want to play now. Mom.
Hmm?
I'm going to go get kids.
My sister, my sister and my brother.
Y'all can get one book.
I'm going to go get King. I'm going to go get King.
I heard you guys
Thank
coming out
you.
and started to bark. I was like, oh, here they come.
He's rotten, spoiled, like so
He
rotten.
is spoiled. He is a good dog.
I'm a kid, you don't hurry up. Mommy, look.
King, come. Let the thing go, Carly. King, move the kids. Swing the kids, King. King, swing the kids. Come on. Come here. Come here. King. King, come. 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 I'm trying to get him to push him. Plan fail, y'all. So it is raining, but this is something that we want to check out. We actually checking out this bike club, and MarMar wants to do boxing. Carly, you're my way. You're my way.
Why he messing with me?
I don't know if y'all know who Carisha Shields is. She's a boxer.
You said you do, you don't.
No, I'm vlogging. She is what, a world championship boxer? How do you go? I'm not into boxing like that. You even know better than me. But anyway, this is where she would come and box at.
That's a hell of a bitch. That's.
Jay, stop all that slurping, man.
Well,
Move back.
I'm not slurping. I'm doing this like a spoon.
I need to have my brother, baby mama, get her kids in school. She ain't doing nothing. MarMar, this the research study you doing?
The what?
Is this the research study you doing?
No, I think so, no.
Are you a black African American man? Do you have type 2 diabetes? Oh, they doing a research study.
You get $500?
Probably more. Remember how I was doing that research study? You're not old enough.
You're a man or you don't got diabetes?
You're not a man.
You got diabetes?
No.
Then you ain't doing it either.
And I'm not a man.
Actually, Mama got borderline, and if I check his test results, I don't know what it's gonna say. We're gonna hope he don't have it because it can be reversed, but it ain't easy to reverse, and it's not fun to have either, though. Hey! Are you? What's your name? I called you yesterday. My name is Cara.
Okay, so you're registering people?
Yeah, just one of them. I work on Thursdays.
Huh?
I said I work on Thursdays.
Black man, you could have came. How y'all doing?
Mom did too.
So, this is going to end this video. I was going to take y'all to family fun night, but I think the video is long enough. So, we're going to end it there. Thanks for watching, and remember to move.
Hurry up, Mom. Excuse me, sir. Get back on the